Hello, I'm Mike Lacher with Industrial Lubricants. Today we're going to talk about the Beka auto greaser and where they're used at in the oil field. We use them on packings, on pumps. We use them on T-belts. We use them on mountain movers. We're going to go through how to change the pump elements today and how to troubleshoot these and make sure they work for you. Okay, we're going to disassemble this reservoir on here to get to the guts of the system. Basically, just pull these stay rods out. Pretty simple. Just pull them out one by one. I'm actually going to leave that third one in there, or the fourth one, and just pull everything off. So obviously you can see this has been all cleaned up prior to this video. So you pull the reservoir off, pull the stir paddle out. You can see there's a lock nut here. Just loosen that up. This will come right off. After you get that done, pull a couple pump elements out opposite of one another. These ain't quite opposite, but it'll work for what we're doing here. Rock the pump element back and pull it out. The reason you want to do that is because this bottom screen comes out a little tough. If you just take a screwdriver and rock it back and forth a few times, it'll come right out, and there you go. Okay, I want to go through the pump element removal and reinstallation process on this Beka auto greaser. Basically just unscrew it, and as you can see what's going on there. So now that I've got it loose, what I want to do is before I pull it out of the hole, I want to tilt it back and pull it up and out of that cup. If I don't do that, I'll slide that off of there. And if you're trying to do this in the field when it's full of grease, you're going to lose this down inside. If that happens to you, you can fish in there with a needle nose and get it out. But so basically, you know, you want to make sure when it's in there, you get the threads loose, just tilt it up a little, pull it out of the hole. Now when you reinstall them, and you try to do this when it's full of grease, it's very challenging. It's hard to feel that you've got it back in this cup. If you don't, what happens is you end up with it on the outside of the cup. Pump starts up, turns around, one of two things will happen. Either it'll bend this shaft over, or it'll snap the lip on this cup here. And once you do that, now you've got a complete tear down of the greaser, and it's bad. When you want to change pump elements, the procedure you need to do is just what we showed you here. Take the reservoir off, clean the grease out of down on the inside, get it cleaned up good, and then reinstall your pump elements, and you can see exactly what's going on there. It's simple. When you try and do this in the field, I promise you, you're going to end up with a bigger problem than what you started out to fix. So simple pump element change can turn into taking the pump down. Okay, here it is running. You can see the internals, how everything's working, how it's pushing the pump elements out, and they're going back for another shot of grease. They actually fill, if you can see these little holes, that's how the grease pours inside of them. I'll rotate that one so you can see it, but there's just a little hole here. As the stir paddle comes by, it shifts the grease, fills those holes, and the pump element pushes it out. Very simple. Okay, just to finish up on the Beka Max, we can do blenders with these, T-belts. We've got 6 outlets on them, so we can do a blender, all the bearings on a blender, straight from pump element right out to bearing. If you need any work done on these, we stock parts for them. We got reservoirs, we got pump elements, so just give us a call. We can fix them up.